Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a very simple and easy technique to make shaker card. In this you will need no die cuts and it is pretty simple. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
After making the shaker card, you can add this to any scrapbooks, explosion boxes or any cards you like. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, show some love in the comment section below and I will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.